Hey everyone, and thanks for logging on to ABC2News.com. Meteorologist Mike Taylor with your 7-day forecast update. We have another round of some wintry situations or precipitation to get through, and then after that, we'll start a warming trend into your weekend with a few opportunities of seeing some rain. So that's what we'll focus on this 7-day. Let's start things off with the temperatures. Right now, the colder air is going to fight back, so you'll feel that cold for your Thursday. Once we get into Friday, we'll change things up a little bit. Warmer air fights back, and this time around it's going to win the battle. So you'll notice a change on Friday, but you'll clearly feel the change as we go into Saturday and Sunday with highs climbing as high as 58 degrees in some spots. So yes, we'll be flirting with 60. I will tell you this, even though we'll warm up, clouds are going to be there and even an opportunity for some rain. So we'll call this a rainy warm-up for your weekend. So the temperatures will be nice, but the sky conditions not so much. But we need the rain for sure. Temperatures have definitely been below where they should be for this time of year as far as temperatures go. But I should say, or I meant to say, that the moisture content, the rain, we're about 3.5 inches below average where we should be. We're in that moderate to severe drought. So even though we have rain and it falls on the weekend, unfortunately, we need it. So there's that 7-day forecast. A cold start for Thursday, 36 your high temp. Icy patches out there for your morning. We start to warm up, flirting with 60 degrees on Sunday. A high of 55 is what we're going with. Rain will linger through midday Sunday, and next week looks a little better. A few chances of rain, but at least temperatures are expected to once again stay above the freezing mark. Thanks for joining us here at ABC2News.com to get your 7-day forecast information. Next planned update will be for Thursday evening.